Jerome Colibar. Today I will discuss the topic patterns and numbers and natures and words. Pattern defined as regular, repeated, recurring forms or designs. Kahit saan tayo pumunta or tumingin, marami tayong makikitang patterns. Halimbawa, yung layout ng floor tiles. At kung paano tayo magsintas ng sapatos at marami pang iba. Natural patterns includes symmetries, trees, spiral, meanders, waves, forms, desolations, crack and stripes. Studying patterns helps students in identifying relationships and finding logical connections to form generalizations and to make predictions. Halimbawa, which of the figure can be used to continue the series given below? From left to right, the other rotates each column 45 degrees clockwise. So the answer is letter D. What number comes next? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So each term is 2 more than the previous term. So therefore, ang susunod na number is 11. So ang sagot is 11.